Find dy dx when y squared x plus exponent 2y x squared plus 2y equals to 0. For the first term, y squared x, we're going to use product rules. Y squared is going to be the u, and x is going to be the v. For the second term, exponent 2y x squared, we're also going to use product rule. Exponent 2y is going to be our u, and x squared is going to be our v. For 2y, we're going to use constant multiple rule. Same goes as 2y here. So it is in the form of kx to the power of n. So now let us differentiate. We know that product rules is u v prime plus v u prime. So for the first term, y squared x, our u is y squared, and if we differentiate our v with respect to x, which is x, going to be 1. So if y squared times 1, it is y squared plus v u prime, v is x, and if we differentiate y squared with respect to x, we're going to get 2y dy dx plus, now we're going to differentiate exponent 2y x squared using product rules. Our u is exponent 2y, and if we differentiate x squared with respect to x, we're going to get 2x plus v is x squared, and if we differentiate exponent 2y with respect to x, we're going to differentiate 2y using constant multiple rule. So 2 dy dx times with exponent 2y. We already differentiate 2y just now using the constant multiple rules. So it's going to be 2 dy dx equals to 0. Now let us collect all the terms with the dy dx on the left hand side and terms that do not have dy dx on the right hand side. So I'm going to rearrange this. We're going to get 2xy dy dx plus this one 2x squared exponent 2y dy dx plus 2 dy dx equals 2, and the terms without dy dx, we're going to bring it to the right hand side. So this one is negative y squared, and this term is going to be negative 2x exponent 2y. So I'm going to factorize the dy dx together with the 2 here. So we're going to get 2 dy dx times with xy plus x squared exponent 2y plus 1 equals 2. So I'm going to factorize the negative 1 out. So negative y squared plus 2x exponent 2y, and my dy dx is negative y squared plus 2x exponent to y divide with, so we're going to bring 2 and this expression as 2 times with xy plus x squared exponent 2y plus 1. That's it.